Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. I am your teacher Nida Naqvi and I hope you are doing well and safe at your homes. Today we are going to start our online virtual class scheduled by Metropolitan School. So I have a new topic for you for both of the students 9th and metric, which is a conditional sentences. But before starting this topic, I would like to explain you what is a conditional sentence. A conditional sentence is a sentence that gives you a condition and a result outcomes of a condition. For example, we have different types of conditional sentences. First, I will define you how many types of conditions we have. Okay, so we have 4 types of condition. Number 1 is zero conditional. Number 2 is first conditional. Third one is second conditional. And fourth one is third conditional. If we talk about the conditional sentences, there are 2 parts of conditional sentences. Okay, first one, I have told you that a conditional sentences have 2 parts. First part called if clause and the second part is called main clause. If clause give us a condition, okay? It gives us a condition. And main clause give us a result. So we have 2 parts of a conditional sentence. First one is a if clause which give us a condition and second one is main clause which give us a result. Okay, now I am going to move towards a chart of these because we have different formulas and structures of these conditional sentences. Now I am going to draw a chart for your convenience so you can understand it very easily. As I have told you that we have 2 parts of a conditional sentence. First one is a condition and second part is a result. Condition and result. Okay, if we talk about zero condition, zero conditional sentences. Okay, what is a condition? Condition will be real condition. Okay, it happens in the real life and the result it will give us result that always remains same. Okay, in a zero conditional there are 2 parts of a sentence. First one is a condition, second is result. In condition here should be real condition and the result that always remains same. So I am going to tell you the structure or formula, you can say it so you will understand, make it a conditional sentence. First one, if clause, if plus present simple. Then this is all about the condition. Okay, condition, second part present simple. Okay, for example, if present simple, if the wind blows, if the wind blows, keep it in your mind while we are moving to the second part of the sentence, you need to put a comma here. If the wind blows, the trees move. Have you noticed one thing? I have used present simple in the both parts of the sentences. Okay, now this is a full sentence. If the wind blows, the trees move. You have noticed one thing, it is remains same. Okay, whenever wind blow, the trees move. It is a condition that always remains same. Okay, in present, past and future. Okay, if now move towards a second one. Second one is first condition. Okay, if we talk about the first conditional sentences, so what will be the condition and result in the first conditional? First conditional, possible future condition and possible future result. Okay, if we talk about the formula, so if with present simple, for the if clause, and if we talk about the main clause, will with infinitive. Here is a word, new word for you, infinitive. What is infinitive? This is a base form of verb. Now come on the example. If you work hard, comma, you will get success. Is that clear? It is very easy, I think so. You just need to follow the structures of the conditional sentences. Now come on the second conditional. Again, we are going to study the conditional sentences of the second conditional sentences. Okay, so here we have imaginary or unreal conditions. Same imaginary and unreal results. Okay, if we talk about the structure of the second conditional sentences, I have told you that we must have imaginary or unreal condition and we must have imaginary or unreal results. So, formula will be if plus past simple. Next, in the main clause, would plus infinitive. Okay, so would and we can use could and might as well, because you know these are the modal verbs, so it can be replaced. Now come on the example. If he had enough money, I am using here present simple, have, second form have ki had. Now if he had enough money, comma, he would buy a car. So this is a imaginary condition. If he had enough money, so he would buy a car. This is all about imaginary unreal condition. Okay, now come on this last one, third conditional. Okay, what will be the condition and result in the third conditional? We will have past unreal conditions. Okay, and unreal results. Not in the past, okay? Just we will have past unreal conditions and future unreal conditions. If we talk about the formula structure of this condition, I think so, I should erase it. Okay, now we have done the condition and the result of the third condition. Now move towards the structure of this condition. Structure is if plus past perfect. And if you talk about the main clause, would have with past participle. We are going to use third form of verb in this structure. Okay, now come on example. If he had worked hard earlier. Have you noticed I have used past perfect in the tense, and he would have past I'm using third form of verb here. He would have passed exams. So these are the 4 conditions you have. Now you can use these 4 conditions in your MCQs, multiple choice question and translation as well. You need to practice all these sentences very well. And the first thing is that you need to remember the structures and the conditions of the sentences. If you don't know about the conditions of the sentences, you will never go to use these in your translation or MCQs. So be focused on the structures and conditions as well. You should know the conditions and results of all the conditions and must remember the structures of the condition from 0 till 3rd. So you can do it very easily. And you have to be practice of these sentences. I will send you a PDF so you can do the practice as well. Stay blessed and safe at your homes. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.